Hello, in this video, we will look at processing exceptions using exception objects. You can get the exception object in the except, and then in the handler, you can reference the exception object. So this is the syntax, exception type as the exception object. So here is example. We're going to write this code, the number, and so this is for the number. But if you enter a string, for example, this is 1, so you are going to have a value arrow. So we're going to catch the value arrow here, value arrow. So we want to know what is this value arrow is. So this is EX. So when you run this code, you can see enter an integer is 1, and this is exception. So what is the detailed message? It says cannot convert string to float. So that is the error message. So let's run this now. So we missed this colon right here. Could not convert string to float 1. So that is all for this section on processing exceptions using exception objects. See you on the next video.